Hello guys, this is Yarisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you the makeover of my studio slash beauty room slash where I record my videos, get ready, my closet. This is a room that I have been using for a long time, and I don't know, it just kind of like never came together, and now I just had this amount of inspiration and I basically just like redid the whole thing. I'm gonna be showing you step by step of all the things that I did, and I'm gonna put some pictures to show you more or less what my inspiration was. I was going for like the boho, warm kind of tones, and I really love how it came out, so I hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to subscribe and to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and let's start with the video. Okay, so this is what the room looks like. I have this is what I use for my background. Have my mirror, shoes everywhere. Here I have my vanity dresser, and here I have this clothing rack. Just a mess everywhere. This is what the room is looking like right now. I took most of the things out, so I have all the tools and all the stuff, so let's forget about that table. Ta-da! And there I have the clothing rack, and here I have the other dressers. The wallpaper, I'm gonna use this wallpaper that I found on Amazon, and I'm gonna also use this one. It's been a couple of days. I had to stop because I had another video to make. I'm trying to post videos every week, but it's not that easy. So you can see behind me, that's more or less what the wall is looking like. I still have all of that left. I bought paper that was like shorter, so I kind of had to match this side of the wall. It took me a long time, like you can't really tell. You can see a little bit here, but when you look at it from kind of far away, you can't really see it. So I'm gonna finish this part, and then I'm gonna move into the next thing. The wallpaper kind of like wasn't symmetrical, so now I have this line here, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna cut a stripe and I'm gonna put it on top of it, because there's no way that I'm moving this wallpaper all the way from there to fix this. So let's glue something else in there. There you go. You can't even see where it was. Like I can't even find where I put the patch. And this is what the wall looks like. Actually, it looks a little bit like snake print from here. Somebody came and installed the window rods because I did not know how to do that. I didn't have the proper tools, so they did it. Everything is gonna be in the same place except for the mirror, because I figured that I can get more light here. I have both of the windows on the sides, and also see the clothing rack back there, so that's pretty cool. And I have this empty corner here that I don't know what I'm gonna do with. Clean the stereo up to keep on doing stuff. Next, I'm gonna put these curtains on. I got these ones at Target. I changed my mind on the curtains, and I'm not gonna use those ones. I'm gonna use this one. Problem is that they are way too see-through, so I'm probably gonna buy another ones, but for now I like these ones better. So I got these little things at Amazon, and I also got these leaves. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put them together, and then I'm gonna put them here right next to the mirror. I took a little bit of wood and I put them together like that. You can see in the back. Put them on the wall without having any damage. I'm gonna use these little thingies. I also got these really cute mirrors. It's a set of 3, and I think that I'm gonna put them in this wall. I have this other space on the wall, and I found this steamer. It's like an Asian steamer. It's set, you know, like one of those baskets that you can put stuff in. So I think that I'm gonna hang these ones in this wall. Cool thing is that I got these ones at Goodwill, and how cool do they look there. That was like $6.99, and it came with 4 pieces. I love it. I'm gonna work on this area. It's the one on top of this dresser. I'm gonna be putting these 2 up there, so I just have to measure the wall. How crazy is that? They were like $1.99. Thanks to my mother-in-law for, you know, immersing me into the Goodwill world. I never thought that you could find things like this. Let me know if you would like me to make a vlog, like showing you the things that I can find in there, because I really like going there. And I want to put my jewelry holder here. This is the jewelry holder that I'm going to be using. I found this one on Amazon. I also got this set of frames. It comes in 3 pieces. Now I'm going to put the shelves here, and basically what I did is that I marked with the tape where the shelves are going to go. This one is going to go here, and then there's going to be the medium one and the small one. I'm also putting over here this candle holder. I found this one also at the Goodwill. It was only like $2, and this candle that I found at the Dollar Tree. How cute is this view? I'm gonna put this little plant here. I got this plant at Walmart. It's the next beautiful day, and now I think I'm gonna go to Target because I have this empty corner right next to where I put the jewelry thing, and it has like nothing going on, so I want to find something to put here. I have my little helper over here. Say hi guys, we are going to Target. I am back, and these were the things that I got. I got this floor mat or rug, this little beautiful plant, fake plant. I spent so much money on plants that I could have my own farm. I mean, this thing was like 24 bucks or something, 19. Oh my God, this was 40. Okay, this was 40 bucks. And I got this throw pillow, and also this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful HGTV vibe basket. I don't think I'm actually gonna be putting anything in it. It's just gonna be for decoration purposes. So all of this stuff is gonna be going in this corner. I have this mirror that his mom had brought a long time ago, so I'm gonna be using this one in that corner too. So let's see what we can come up with. So that sums about everything that I wanted to do in the room, and now it's time to show you everything that I did in here. I'm so excited! I'm like, so excited. So now we're gonna walk into the room and I'm gonna show you everything together. So I hope that you like it. Okay, so I'm gonna start corner by corner. So remember that I was showing you how I was putting the whole wallpaper together. I really love how it came out. It looks absolutely perfect. And then remember that I told you that I was gonna put this steamer in here, so I took two of the pieces. You can see it looks like shelves, so I just love how it looks together with the macrame hangings, and painted my clothing rack. So here you can see that I have this color palette of clothes that go with the theme of the room. And I also have this little bag that I got at Zara. I haven't worn it yet, but it's so adorable. It has like all these little pearls. These are just clothes that I thought would look really cute together, and I also wanted to have them there so I can wear them, because I always make the mistake of wearing the same things. And this jacket is actually from that review that I made. I'm gonna put a card somewhere so you can watch it. Over here is more like the more warm tones, and I also put a handbag that matches with everything. And these are the magical shelves that I was putting on. I'm very proud of getting this done. I never used any kind of electric tool to put shelves before, so I did this all by myself, and I'm very proud of Jarissa the builder. And this you have seen in my DIY for Christmas decorations. And here I have a picture of me and my honey, and this J is actually from my old room, and this is from my old room too. And then this one I got at the thrift store. And over here we have this little plant that has been around the whole house, but I always keep on bringing it back here. And I also have this 3 set of mirrors that I got on Amazon. I'm gonna list all the things that I got online and all the things that you can actually find on the internet. I'm gonna list them in the description box. And down here I have my old little rug. What I did is that I cut it in half, and I used half for the shoes and half for this corner because I wanted to give it like a little different touch. Here you can see that I have the curtain. These curtains are like white see-through, and you can see that it has like this triangle decoration. I think that it goes really well with the design of the room. And then over here I have the same chair that I had, and also my vanity. I didn't want to get rid of my vanity. I really like it, and I think that is really cute. Maybe eventually I'll buy another one, but I just think that this one looks really nice over here. And here I just put my makeup and some of my brushes. And then over here on top of my chair I have the pillow that I made for my Christmas video. And the cool thing is that you can see both of the designs because it's see-through on the back. This is my favorite corner of the whole room, and it's because I have my huge mirror in here. And what I did is that I put it in the corner of the wall, as you can see, so it kind of like makes the room feel more open, and I also get more light from both of the windows. Before, I don't know what I was doing having it in this corner that was so dark. Now it's just perfect because it's sitting there and I get a lot of lighting, so I'm gonna take some really cute pictures. And then over here I show you how I was making these little things. I got these ones on Amazon, and also the leaves. I'm gonna link them in the description box. Moving into this area, here's where I have my dresser. I kept all the furniture in the same positioning because I was trying to move it and it just didn't really work out. I didn't really see the need. If anything, I would have put this one over here, but I just think that the setup is perfect as it is. Here I have this little plant that I got at Walmart. I don't know, I spent so much money on plants that I could have like a whole garden. I could have a whole farm and sell them, but I just have a really bad time for plants. I killed everything. And then I got my little jewelry holders that I love, and I also have this thing that is full of things that I don't use, so I'm eventually gonna declutter my room. So let me know if you want to watch that video. And this one I got at Home Goods, and this thing I also got at Home Goods, and it has an S because my first name starts with S. Jarisa is actually my middle name, but I go by Jarisa here because the first one is really complicated, and I also have to make a joke every time I say it, so yeah. This candle holder was $1.99. You can see it at the bottom, and it has this really cute wood that just goes with the vibe of the room. On this area here I have my All Good tray that has been with me for like 4 years, and I'm really happy that I could use it in this room. And then I just have my bunch of perfumes. I know I have a problem. I buy too much of everything, but I don't know, what can you do? And then in this back area, I have my nail polish remover and some cotton balls. So here you can see that I have the mirror that came from my mother-in-law, and I also have the beautiful basket that I got at Target. I also got the little floor rug and the basket, the blanket, and this beautiful, very extra expensive, more expensive than I expected plant, but it looks really nice. So let's just admire the beautifulness of this thing, this waste of money, but it's so cute, whatever. Then over here we have my little jewelry tray that I got at Amazon, and it just has a bunch of my earrings. And then moving into this area, this is where I have those paintings that I also found at the thrift store. This is actually the first time that I spent so much time remodeling something. This took me like 2 weeks to do, because I had to stop to make more videos for you guys for my YouTube channel, and I'm really happy how it turned out. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to also subscribe. And thank you to all of you that are already subscribed to my channel. Every time you guys leave a nice comment or say how much you like my videos, it really motivates me to keep on making more and keep on putting content. So thank you so much for being so nice and for sticking around. So this is the whole final look. I hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.